Hello, aspiring English speakers. Welcome back to Vocab Stream, your go-to channel for all things English language. Today, we're focusing on pronunciation, a critical aspect of language learning that makes your speech clear and comprehensible. Pronunciation can be tricky, especially when you're just starting your journey in English. But don't worry, we're here with the top 10 tips that can help improve your English pronunciation. So, let's get started. Tip number 1: listen and imitate. Watch English movies, listen to songs, podcasts, and try to mimic the accent, rhythm, and intonation. It's an effective and fun way to learn. Tip number 2: break words into syllables. Complex words can often seem daunting. Break them down into smaller parts or syllables. This simplifies the pronunciation process. Tip number 3: use a dictionary. Most dictionaries, especially online ones, provide audio pronunciations of words. Make use of these to hear and practice the correct pronunciation. Tip number 4: practice tongue twisters. They are a fun and challenging way to practice specific sounds. They can help improve the clarity and speed of your speech. Tip number 5: learn the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA. It's a system of phonetic notation and a great tool to understand how each word should be pronounced. Tip number 6: record and listen to yourself. This is a powerful way to spot your pronunciation errors. By listening to your own speech, you can identify the areas where you need to improve. Tip number 7: focus on stress and intonation. In English, some syllables are longer, and some words are pronounced more forcefully. Listen to native speakers and try to copy the rhythm and intonation. Tip number 8: slow down your speech. It's not about how fast you speak, it's about how clearly you speak. Speaking slowly helps you to pronounce words correctly and also makes you sound more confident. Tip number 9: practice minimal pairs. Minimal pairs are pairs of words that only have one sound difference, like ship and sheep. Practicing with them can help you distinguish between similar sounds in English. Tip number 10: get feedback. Having someone who can correct your pronunciation errors is extremely beneficial. This can be a language exchange partner, a friend who is a native speaker, or a professional tutor. Improving pronunciation isn't a one-day task, it requires consistent practice and patience. But we assure you, the results are absolutely worth it. We've come to the end of today's episode on Vocab Stream. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Your likes and shares encourage us to create more useful content for you. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next episode. Like this video, and join us in the next one as we continue our journey in English pronunciation. And remember, the key to improvement is practice. So, keep practicing, stay patient, and you'll see noticeable improvements in no time.